I just got finished talking to some of my newer associate attorneys at my law firm who have accepted jobs and they're getting ready in their first few years of practicing family law and divorce. And I gave them a couple tips that I wanted to give to you too. And I wanted to basically today explain to you guys what a lawyer actually does. It's that simple. A lawyer, a family lawyer, a divorce lawyer really ultimately does two things. Number one, at the end of the day, lawyers put words on paper. I know we do so much more, and I know I'm being facetious by making it seem so simple, but we can't actually change behavior. We can't make someone drop off a child. We can't go get an asset. We don't conduct a third-party investigation into what the estate actually is. So the best thing we can do is put words on paper. We can formalize your negotiations. We can put a court order in place that enforces what the rules are, that provides consequences for bad behavior, that divides things up. But at the end of the day, it's putting words on paper. And the second thing that I just told our associates is that at the end of the day, a family lawyer's job is to apply the law to the facts and to give legal advice. And that's it. That sounds obvious, right? But here's what it's not. We can't solve every single problem. We're helpers. We're here to help. That's why we got into family law in the first place. But our job is to apply the law to the facts. That means that we take what your facts are as a client and we ask ourselves what the law is. We learn what the law is. We know what the law is, and we apply the facts to the law and come up with a solution for you. But we can't change the facts, and we can't always change the law. And that's really important for everybody to know when they hire a divorce lawyer. I have so many clients that I like, that I'm friends with now, and that I really enjoyed helping out. And I felt really sorry for them a lot of times when they were going through a bad situation. But I can't help the fact that they married an absolute narcissist. And I can't help the fact that they had 3 kids with a person that ended up financially ruining the family. I can't change that fact, as bad as that fact is. I can only help right now. So if you're a family lawyer watching this, or you're interested in family law, remember this motto whenever you're stuck or you're feeling burnout. You might be thinking that you have to solve the whole problem, that you have to change the facts, or you have to save the day. Really, your job is ultimately to apply the law to the facts. If you're a client and you're watching this, or you're a person that's contemplating divorce, keep this in mind. Your divorce lawyer is awesome. We do superhuman things, but we're not superhuman. We are only as good as the facts that you give us and what the law actually is. We love to help out. We love to be a counselor and also a lawyer, but we absolutely can't change some of the facts. If you come into this divorce and you're underwater in an estate, you've got a lot of credit card debt, there's nothing we can do to change that, but we can help you move on. So it's an important reminder. And as great as family lawyers are, as great as divorce lawyers are, if you remember these 2 simple things, then things can be a lot easier. Hope this helps.